Okay, now we arrive in the subway station. Oh, let's go to Sapporo Factory just to see a Christmas tree.
It's a big Christmas tree.
Is it the biggest?
Yes, in Sapporo.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It is?
Yes.
Who said that?
The internet said that.
The internet said that. Okay, so I trust you. Now we are inside the mall. As you can see, it's not Christmas yet, but
They are made by kindergarten.
these decorations were made by some kindergarten kids. Okay, so here's like some game center. Yeah, my wife likes to play crane game here.
I don't have coupon today.
Oh, that's bad. So people say that this is the most beautiful mall in Sapporo.
And there will be Christmas tree over there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's so big.
Okay, I want to record from there.
Meeting.
So here's, oh, so it's like an idol meeting.
Yes. They need to buy 1,000 yen.
Okay, so you need to spend 1,000 yen so you can talk with them.
Yes.
Do they speak English?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Hello. So we got to meat bun for lunch. Okay, so mine is cheese miso. And how about you?
Miso.
Okay. Okay, I accidentally bought the big one. Well, yeah, this one costs like 720 yen, which is around, I don't know, $5.
I have never eaten this.
Really? So, okay, I'm gonna get fat. My wife is strong. She ate all of them herself. Still snowing really crazy, really bad.
Yay! With me!
Of course.
Upside is also beautiful.
Yes.